Boeing just made history with the 777X. After endless delays, canceled timelines, and growing skepticism, one flight just changed everything. May 2026, the moment the aviation world has waited years to see, finally happened. Here is what Boeing accomplished and why it matters. Lufthansa's first Boeing 777-9 production aircraft took flight in May 2026. This marks a historic milestone for the long-delayed 777X program. Boeing's official website featured the flight, stating Lufthansa's first 777-9 takes flight. The company documented this critical achievement after years of development challenges. This flight matters enormously. The Boeing 777X was supposed to enter service years ago. Original plans targeted 2020 for first deliveries. That timeline slipped repeatedly. Boeing faced repeated certification delays. Technical concerns emerged during testing. Supply chain issues complicated production. Pressure intensified after the Boeing 737 MAX crisis damaged trust in the company fundamentally. Because of these accumulated problems, many people started doubting whether the 777X would ever successfully reach airlines. Each delay eroded confidence incrementally. Industry observers questioned Boeing's ability to execute major aircraft programs. That is why Lufthansa's first production aircraft finally flying is being treated as a huge symbolic moment for Boeing. It proves the program is real. It demonstrates Boeing can build production standard aircraft meeting customer specifications. The flight signals that years of development work are finally crystallizing into deliverable products. For Boeing, this represents validation after enduring intense scrutiny and skepticism. The 777X family includes revolutionary technology that sets it apart from previous widebody aircraft. The folding wingtips represent the most visible innovation. The wings are the largest ever built for a commercial aircraft. During flight, the wings span 71.8 meters, providing exceptional aerodynamic efficiency. After landing, the wingtips fold upward, reducing wingspan to 64.8 meters. This allows the aircraft to use standard airport gates designed for smaller aircraft. The folding mechanism operates automatically. Pilots do not manually control it. Sensors detect when the aircraft lands and triggers the folding sequence. The wingtips lock into the folded position for ground operations. This ingenious solution combines efficiency with practicality. Airlines get the aerodynamic benefits of massive wings without requiring airport infrastructure modifications. The GE9X engines powering the 777X are the most powerful commercial jet engines ever certified. Each engine produces over 110,000 pounds of thrust. These massive power plants enable the 777X's exceptional performance. The engines also deliver remarkable fuel efficiency. GE developed breakthrough technologies specifically for the GE9X. Advanced materials reduce weight, improve aerodynamics, increase efficiency. The result is approximately 10% better fuel economy compared to engines powering previous generation widebodies. The 777X offers better fuel efficiency overall compared to the aircraft it replaces. Airlines can fly the same routes, burning significantly less fuel. This directly reduces operating costs and emissions. The larger cabin provides passengers with improved comfort. The 777-9 seats over 400 passengers in typical configurations. Airlines can offer spacious seating or maximize capacity based on their strategy. The aircraft is designed to replace older jumbo jets on long-haul routes. Airlines operating Boeing 747s and A380s are retiring those aircraft. The 777X provides comparable capacity with twin-engine economics. Operating 2 engines instead of 4 dramatically reduces costs. Fuel consumption drops. Maintenance expenses decrease. These economic advantages make the 777X attractive for airlines replacing older widebodies. Lufthansa will become the launch customer. This means Lufthansa passengers will be among the first to experience one of the most advanced passenger aircraft ever built. Lufthansa ordered the 777X to modernize its long-haul fleet. The German carrier operates aging Boeing 747-8 aircraft and A340s. The 777X replaces both types efficiently. Lufthansa plans to deploy the 777X on its longest and highest demand routes. Flights from Frankfurt and Munich to destinations in North America and Asia will likely feature the new aircraft. Passengers will notice immediate differences. The cabin feels more spacious. Larger windows provide better views. Advanced air systems maintain higher humidity and lower cabin altitude. These features reduce fatigue on long flights. The 777X competes against Airbus aircraft, particularly the A350. Both aircraft target the same market segment. Airlines choosing wide bodies for long-haul routes evaluate both options carefully. The A350 entered service years before the 777X. Airbus delivered hundreds while Boeing faced delays. This gave Airbus significant market advantage. However, the 777-9 offers greater capacity than the A350-1000. Airlines needing maximum passenger count per flight favor the Boeing option. The 777-8 variant provides exceptional range exceeding the A350's capabilities. The competition between Boeing and Airbus for dominance in long-haul aviation intensifies with the 777X's arrival. Both manufacturers offer excellent aircraft. Airlines benefit from having genuine choices. Boeing needs the 777X to succeed commercially. The wide-body market is critical for Boeing's financial performance and strategic positioning. Losing this segment to Airbus would be devastating. Airbus has dominated wide-body sales recently. The A350 captured significant market share while the 777X faced delays. Boeing must recapture lost ground. Lufthansa's aircraft flying represents the first step. But Boeing needs to deliver aircraft consistently, prove operational reliability, and secure additional orders from other airlines. The successful flight signals Boeing's recovery may be beginning. After years of crisis across multiple programs, Boeing is demonstrating it can still develop and deliver advanced aircraft. However, significant challenges remain before certification and global airline deliveries. The FAA must complete certification processes. Boeing must prove the aircraft meets all regulatory requirements. Manufacturing must ramp to production rates that satisfy customer demand. Boeing cannot deliver just a few aircraft annually. Airlines need dozens delivered on schedule. Quality must remain consistently high. Any defects or safety issues would be catastrophic for the program and Boeing's reputation. The scrutiny is intense after the MAX crisis. Supply chain partners must deliver components reliably. Engine production, structural parts, and systems all must arrive on schedule. Any supply chain disruptions delay deliveries. These challenges are substantial but not insurmountable. Boeing has experience ramping aircraft production. The company knows what successful programs require. The question is whether Boeing can execute flawlessly. Previous programs experienced problems. The 777X cannot afford similar issues. Will the 777X become the next queen of the skies? That title belonged to the Boeing 747 for decades. The 777X could claim it if the program succeeds fully. The aircraft has the capability: revolutionary technology, excellent economics, superior passenger experience. Airlines need aircraft like the 777X for their networks. But capability alone does not guarantee success. Boeing must deliver aircraft meeting promises. Airlines must operate them successfully. Passengers must embrace the experience. Alternatively, has Airbus already won the future of aviation? The A350's head start gave Airbus enormous advantage. Hundreds of aircraft in service create installed base effects. Airlines invested in A350, training, maintenance, and operations may prefer continuing with Airbus. Fleet commonality favors staying with one manufacturer. The answer likely is that both manufacturers will succeed. The wide-body market is large enough for Boeing and Airbus to compete. Airlines benefit from choice. Lufthansa's first 777-9 flying proves the aircraft is real. Production is proceeding. Deliveries will begin soon. Boeing made history after years of delays. The 777X is finally happening. Whether it dominates aviation or simply competes successfully remains to be determined. But May 2026 marks the moment Boeing proved the skeptics wrong. The 777X flies, and Boeing's recovery begins.